really cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it, like it's average, like I'm not...
Hey you guys, ItzYoGyalCuTiE back in the house to continue this video. So we're gonna choose which shoes should we get next. I think this one, because this one I really wanted to open, so it has to be this one. Let's go, let's choose it, baby. This is what I've been waiting for. Let's open it. Oh wow. Wow. This baby right here is the Zoom LeBron Next Gen. Wow. But I will review that in other stores, when I saw them, they do not look like this one. Now I'm seeing it in person. This is from Nike, and the color is different. So now kind of worried. I don't know if this is just the lighting of the store, not the Nike store, but like a different store, like a sports store, like, you know, shoe stores and everything. It was kind of more like a beige color, like a, not like khaki, but like an apricot color. There we go, apricot. But this is not apricot. Okay, this is not apricot. So this is what I'm seeing on the picture, but compared to other stores, and it's not the same as the picture, not the same as this. Like, the quality is way different. So I almost even thought about returning these, because after I seen them in store, it was kind of different, but not in Nike store. So okay, so now I, like, you know, shop from Nike because it's more legit, like the picture, but like not all of the shoes are like similar, like color, but this one is near it, because this is like, this is more of like the let's call this the primary color is this one, and the primary color in other stores was kind of different. So I'm actually happy about these ones, but I'm not too sure if it would like fit my fits and everything. But you know, I could tell that the quality is good, and like it's, oh sorry, but you know, like I feel like the fitting would be nice, but I had to try it on first, so let's see. Okay, they do run a little small, but you know, on the meantime, when you wear it, you know, a lot of times, or like you worn it out, it's gonna, you know, stretch. But no, it's tight. This gotta return, because I feel like this is the length is a little bit shorter. I feel like this would have been a size 8, because I am a size 8.5, and then these I got an 8.5 for men's. Okay, 8.5 for men, so that's a 10 for women. So this is running small. So yeah, these gotta return, but these look good. Okay, these look, you know, badass. But what I'm trying to say is, like, I wish the fitting was a little better, because my toes are like right there. Like, yeah. This gotta go, because it's a little tight right here, so I don't want, you know, to make my foot swollen or anything to hurt my foot. But yeah, it's really nice. So in my opinion, these shoes are really good for people who have wider feet, because the width was, you know, it's good. It's really good. It says Air Zoom, because we be zooming in these streets. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I even got these little styles on the bottom. Okay. Thank you. Come again.